One problem we have often on this Land Rover DCDC is we read DTC, we have no faults. We see all the information here, no problem. But when we go to live data, even though we are on platform, we are giving 48 volt and everything, we see that the DCDC converter low voltage current is 0 ampere. And very important here, the current reactive operating mode of the DCDC conversion system is fault. This means that in this moment, this DCDC has a fault, but it doesn't have any fault code. What does it mean? That we need to repair it, because it will not charge a 12 volt battery, either on car or on platform. Just like now, we have the test on platform which is showing us this DC needs repair. So let's see how to repair it. After repairing the fire, now we are in the live data again, and we have 0 ampere. In this moment the platform is not active. Then when we activate the platform, we will see the ampere start to increase and the voltage also increases, and we have here written back mode. So this shows that the DCDC now is being repaired via the file. And then if we check the error codes, like before, there are none. This is still the same DCDC.